This video is going to be on how to sync your drawing tools within the Tradovate platform. So you'll see right over here, I have multi-chart layout here in my platform. But when I go and do technical analysis here, you'll see my drawing tools. Let's do a horizontal line. When I click on it here and I put the line, you see how my line, this is a 5-minute chart. It's not going on my other charts that I have over here. And that's because the drawing tools aren't synced together. So how to do that, you'll see first of all, because I have a multi-chart time frame set up, what you want to do up here if you have multi-times, click on this dot up here right next to where you put in the symbol and then color code it. So whatever charts that you want synced up, make sure that they're the same color code. So you'll see right here, I have a 4-time analysis set up, and you'll see they all have red dots, which means all 4 of those charts are connected. Now the next thing you want to do to make sure the actual tools themselves are connected, that was the first thing, was to set up make sure the charts were connected. What you'll want to do is down here where it says charting or drawing tools, so you kind of hover here, click on drawing tools, and then you click on sync charts. So you sync the charts, you got to go to each time frame right here, each chart, sync chart, right over here, sync charts, and then right over here, sync charts. So what I'm going to do is click here, get rid of that line. So now when I draw the drawing tools or click on put a new line down, it should sync between the charts. Right there, and there you go. So you'll see now this line right here goes to the other charts that are connected. So again, click on the dots up here, make whatever charts that you want synced, make sure they're the same color, and then hover over drawing tools and then go to where it says sync charts, click on sync charts. If you want to unsync them afterwards, or like how different ones synced up, you just click on unsync what chart that you want unsynced with the drawing tools.